welcome to my channel. My name is Yasmin, and right now I know I look a little crazy with, one eye with some eyeliner, the other with other, but that's because I'm giving y'all a two-in-one video where I show you how to get that bold wing liner and also how to apply false eyelashes. As you can see, I show you how to apply lashes with eyeliner and also how to apply lashes without eyeliner, so that way you can just slay the whole entire game. Just a few disclaimers. So of course, as you can see, my eye shape, I have a lot of eyelid, a little too much sometimes, but there's also so many tutorials, say if you have hooded eyes, on how to do eyeliner. But I just wanted to let you all know that everybody's eye shape is different, but I still give you tips and tricks on just general how to apply lashes and how to apply eyeliner. But this is my way of doing it, so don't get offended if it takes you a couple times, because it took me a couple times. It took me about thousands of YouTube videos to learn how to slay some lashes and how to slay some eyeliner. So don't get discouraged. Let's get into the tutorial. So to start off this two-in-one, we're gonna start with eyeliner first. So what I'm gonna use is the NYX matte liquid liner. I'm gonna have a mirror here and then the liquid liner. Now you don't want to just pull it fresh out of the tube and then just go straight to your eye. You want to wipe it off a little bit, just one side, but not too much because you still want the product. Now with the mirror kind of angled straight ahead, I'm going to start mid-eye, so right where my pupil is, and then just drag it. That part. So now I'm going to do the bottom of the wing. So I'm going to start from the corner of my eye here and then just drag it upward. I personally like my eyeliner a little bit more straight than winged up, so I'm not going to go too angled, but I'm going to wing it. And I like a really bold wing. Oh no. Okay. So now I have that part. So now I'm just gonna gradually make the liner thicker. So you can go as thin or as thick as you want with this technique. So now I'm just gonna keep adding on top to connect the wing. Practice. Trust me, I didn't start off with nice bold wings. So now with the mirror a little bit further away so I can really see what the wing is looking like on my eye, just gonna keep adding. Draw a little bit more towards the inner corner of my eye. Pretty much your bold wing. So now I'm going to take my concealer brush and just clean it up. And that's what's really going to add that sharp end to your wing. And there's your wing. Now, of course, like I said, you can always make it as thin as you want it. I personally like a thick wing. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara. So now I'm going to show you how I apply my lashes. So you can start off with a brand new pair. I personally am going to start off with a pair that I've already worn before, just because I really like these lashes. So I'm going to take these these were sent to me by Exquisite Hair Boutique. It's a mink lash line, and also they sell bundles. So girl, that's a 2-in-1 in itself. I'll link all the details down below in the description box. But yeah, I freaking wear these lashes almost every freaking day because they're just so, they go with every look, honestly. First, if you have a pair that is a brand new pair, first you want to fit them to your eye. So what I usually do, if it's a new pair, like let's pretend this is a new pair, I just lay it on my eye. But I just lay it on my eye to see like if it fits my eye or if I need to cut it. Now if you need to cut it, you want to take just a little pair, like let me show you an example. You want to take like a little pair of scissors and then cut the end part of it. So the part that's going to be on this side, you want to cut that part. You don't want to cut the inner part because that's usually where the smaller hairs are, and that's where it's usually like more fitting for your eye. I'm just going to take some tweezers, grab the middle of the eyelash, and then I'm going to take my eyelash glue. This is the Duo eyelash glue. I like this specific kind because they have the tube kind. I like the kind with the wand. It's just a lot easier to apply and less messy. And this is not the black version, this is the clear version, so it looks white now but it dries clear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and just run that all across the band. Now there's gonna be eyelashes that have a thicker band and eyelashes that have thinner bands. I know personally the Ardell ones, those bands are a little bit thinner. I personally like the thinner band when I first began putting lashes on, but now I really like thicker bands because they're much more sturdy. So after you apply the glue, you're just gonna let it sit for a good like 30 seconds, not even. Usually I take the time to put mascara on, but I already put it on this eye, so we're just gonna sit here and let it get a little bit tacky. So I zoomed in a little bit more so you can really see how I'm going to put the lash on. So I've let it get a little tacky. So now with my hand mirror, I'm going to angle it downwards so that way I can see my actual lashes and how close I'm getting the band to my lash line. So now with holding it in the middle, I'm going to go in with angled this way and then just place it right in the middle of my eye and press down. Okay? So I usually like to take the end, and like I said, my lashes are crazy, so this took a lot of getting used to. But I take the end and I secure it, and then I take the inner corner and I secure that. Okay. So now I just kind of tug them downward because I don't want them sticking straight up. And I usually just take my finger as well and just press it down. And then I take the tweezers in between. And it's secured. Okay. So now I'm also going to show you how to do it on an eye without eyeliner because it's very easy to hide the band of your lashes. Like, so say if you're new to putting on lashes and you can't really get it as close to your lash line, it's much easier to have dark eyeliner on, so that way the band and your lash line are kind of hidden, so you can't really see. You finessing the game. But now I'm going to show you how to put it on an eye without eyeliner. So you're going to take your mascara and coat your lashes. You don't want to do a heavy coat, just something that'll blend the lashes with your real lashes. And then just the same steps as before. Just coat your lash band with lash glue and wait until it gets tacky. Now, just the same exact technique. So with your mirror, you're gonna angle it downward and then angle the lash downward, coming in on your lash line. And place it as close as possible. Secure the end. lashes on. And as you can see, I got it as close to the lash line as possible. And the mascara really helps with the blending of the lash band and your actual lashes. But yeah, lashes on and secured. Okay, and that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope you all learned how to slay these lashes and get that about to cut somebody liner. Okay, but yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. So there's that.